Caden.
And it's Stark.
And welcome back to your daily video announcements.
Today for lunch we'll have chicken nuggets, mashed potatoes and gravy, steamed carrots, cinnamon apples, wheat roll, and a cold milk.
Let's take a look at today's holidays.
Next, let's take a glance at your top 5 news stories of the day.
Here are today's top 5 news stories. Number 1. Kansas State mental health hospitals reach crisis level with low staffing capacity. Number 2. New blockbuster movies hit theaters this holiday season. Number 3. Employees add 531,000 jobs last month as recovery gains steam. Unemployment rate falls to 4.6%. Number 4. Los Angeles principal apologizes for lack of sportsmanship after their football team won a game 106-0. Number 5. ABBA drops Voyage, first album in 40 years.
Next, a bowling announcement.
There will be an informational meeting for both boys and girls bowling on Tuesday, November 23rd in room C17 during advisory. Please check in with your advisory teacher before coming.
Now for an announcement from Scooters.
Now for an announcement on dual credit courses.
Next, when should holiday music be played?
I'm going to say after Thanksgiving, like Black Friday.
So at our house, we don't start listening to Christmas music until after Thanksgiving.
It should never be played. It's horrid.
Christmas music should not be played before Thanksgiving. Okay, so I think it should be played after Thanksgiving, like the 1st of December or something like that.
I think holiday music should be played on November 1st, especially like Christmas, because I was listening to it yesterday in my car. Justin Bieber, yes.
Okay. Christmas music should be played the day after Halloween. That's my opinion. You can't change it.
And I think holiday music should be played right after Halloween.
I think you should start holiday music after Thanksgiving.
I think you should always listen to Christmas music because it's amazing.
And I think holiday music should never be played because it's annoying.
I think Christmas music should be played the day after Halloween.
And Christmas music should be played December 1st, no sooner. It is not Christmas until it's December.
Christmas music must be played 1st of December, no sooner.
In my opinion on Christmas music being played, I think Christmas music really should at least hold off until the day after Thanksgiving. My preference is that it would start December 1st and play out through December, but Black Friday at the earliest.
Alright, so I think holiday music should be playing right now since Thanksgiving doesn't have music, which is stupid, okay? Done.
I think Thanksgiving music should be played after Thanksgiving.
I think Christmas music should be played after Thanksgiving because it's like kind of common sense.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Let's head on over to weather.
Today's high will be 62 with a low of 46.
Now for a quick blast to the past. Let's wrap up with this day in history. Stay classy, BC.